For block 7 assembly, we're going to take all of our half square triangles and flying geese units and lay them out into 2 different rows. We're going to start with row 1. Row 1 consists of your flying geese unit being your blue with white winged and 2 half square triangles with white and red. You're going to lay that white and red half square triangles next to your flying geese on the opposite ends, ensuring the white is next to your white wings of your geese. You're going to then flip your white and red flying half square triangle over on the ends and sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance whenever you have everything lined up. And you're going to press towards the outside. Repeat on the opposite end, and you're going to press towards the outside. That would be row 1. Row 2, you're going to take your gold with blue winged flying geese unit, and you're going to then place your half square triangles with blue and white on the outside. You're going to assure that the blue is next to your blue wings of your geese. You're going to do the same thing we did with row 1, and we're going just to flip these over on top of the flying geese unit, and we're going to do a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press towards the flying geese unit this time. Repeat on the opposite end, again ensuring that we press towards the flying geese unit. Then you're going to, when you have those rows complete, you're going to nest them together and sew down the long edge like we have done in this unit. And we're going to press towards the top row, which is your blue flying geese unit with the white wings. This unit measures 3.5 by 6.5 unfinished. That will you're going to make this 4 more times, and this will complete your block. So next, let's go ahead and talk about bonus 2.